So, this may be the last time I'm ever at this school because of the hurricane. Good morning, people of the internet and beyond. I have absolutely no idea when this video is going to be coming out. I don't know if it's a One Earth video or what, but today is Wednesday, September something or other, and this weekend would be the weekend I would be going to rock the universe. But guess what? We're in nearly the direct path of Hurricane Irma, one of the strongest hurricanes in recorded history. So yeah, it's time to batten down the hatches. But first I'm going to go on a walk and kind of look around the island and see what won't be here when I come back. Won't be seeing much of that for the next couple days. Hey. So what's going on, everybody?
We're at Dunkin'.
Drinking coffee.
Feel my coffee.
For sure.
I am wearing this shirt right now.
Wowie kazowie.
You want to know something else?
What?
Her face matches her shirt. Ryan, what's going on?
Okay, so we helped bring in all the stuff for Hurricane Irma, so we're allowed to take what we want.
That's awesome.
I mean, I feel like we're taking advantage, but since you're throwing everything out,
You guys are helping me, that's fine.
So, it's about 11:20, a couple days before the hurricane, and we helped them take in all the furniture at Dunkin' Donuts, so got a free box of donuts. Chris, what did you get?
A free box of donuts also.
Yeah. So
We got boxes and boxes of donuts.
yeah.
That was awesome.
So
I mean, I don't really eat donuts, but I'm going to eat donuts today.
carbs don't count during a hurricane. Remember.
That's not true.
Yes, yes it is. Cassie, what are your thoughts?
I'm shook.
You're shook. Shook to...
You didn't even throw away the top of the muffin. You put them back in here.
I sure did. As you can tell, I'm 100% ready for Hurricane Irma. I'm about to take a couple provisions over to my grandparents' house, which is where we're going. I'm bringing my backpack full of my PlayStation computers, stuff like that. My dad's guitar, my sister's guitar, and 4 cases of water, so I think we'll be good. Elevator does not seem sketchy at all. Not at all.
Die in a hurricane. We're gonna die to clean.
So Keaton, what are you doing for Hurricane Irma?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Or just want to chill out here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So, I don't really care for that.
Cool. Me too. For Hurricane Irma.
Nothing.
Nothing? Well, what are those cases of water there for then?
The homeless.
The homeless, meaning all of us after Hurricane Irma?
Yes. Because we're gonna drown.
Cool. Cool.
It's exciting. Oh, look at
Tristan, what are you doing for
Just texted me.
what are you doing for the Hurricane Irma?
I'm gonna put my white socks on because I'm cool and no one wears white socks anymore.
See, mine are
Literally
black.
wearing white socks right now.
Well, that's because you're a nerd.
We're on our way over to Ryan's grandma and grandpa's house with a generator and provisions so we can ride out the
Lots
hurricane.
of candy.
Lots of candy.
Yeah, for your mother.
Yeah, not for me, definitely.
I've got my ukulele, I've got the Outsiders movie, and I've got clothes.
I've got a
Oh, and all
bottle
of my makeup.
of Captain Morgan and my guitar.
I feel like all the liquor stores are empty too.
Oh yeah, definitely.
She needs a tank. She needs a tank going. She's gonna pee everywhere.
Guess what, Angel? It's too late for that. Mandatory evacuation. We's ready. I got a gallon of milk and a gallon of lemonade. Now I'm trying to get gallons of water. All this will be gone in a couple days. It's not good. It sucks. Unfortunate. This elevator's nearly completely full. I do not trust it anymore.
Okay, it's Irma Landfall Eve. Saturday night, we just dropped off stuff at Grandma and Grandpa's in Ryan, and we're going back over the island. It's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet.
Not many people going southbound.
Yeah, yeah, nobody's going towards the island.
Yeah, I did.
And the other idiot neighbor on the other side, they just left their garbage cans out full of garbage. So I had to go move those. But here we have the calm before the storm.
Evacuation in place for Marco Island. Here's the reason why. In addition to the wind gusts, well over 100. Notice the yellow, the shading colors here. The color shade here, you have the yellow, you have the orange. Notice how that's going to be give or take 3 to 6 feet possible at least with a water level rise. This situation right here, I do want to point out, this is going to be the worst case scenario.
Okay, we're evacuating. What time is it? About 10:45?
Yep.
I got my chauffeur.
And the head's in the back seat.
Who's back there?
Oh, look what it is.
Who's up here? Oh, this would have been fun going to a shelter. Glacier, you're going to cause an accident.
Everyone's still putting on their stories, stay on 575. It's clear now, no one's out.
I know, it's idiots. Everybody.
Glacier.
Okay, we are now leaving Marco. So we're not going to get trammed. You're the biggest dog I've ever met. There's Irma. Hi, Marco. Hope you're there when we come back.
Very comfortable right now. They have a massage chair in the office that I'm using. It's pretty great.
Average, and the gust will increase dramatically
69
during
D.
the day.
What are you doing? Getting into the hurricane snacks early.
Damage has been reported in your area. We're working hard to get your service up and running.
This Comcast?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. It normally comes on in a few minutes.
I'm gonna have a heart meme if I'm over here for much longer. And we've barely even started tropical storm force winds. It's only like 6 on Saturday.
I've never seen an island look so dead before. There's like no lights on it. It's usually glowing.
Yeah. This kind of reminds me when I first moved here.
Yeah, we're about to get this story, so I wasn't expecting anyone to be here right now. We had to make a run back to the island because we just realized the severity. Surprised they didn't ask for ID or anything. All the cops are probably hidden. Now we're really gonna see no one out here.
Yeah.
We've already started getting the first couple waves of Irma. There's like no one out here.
It's not very windy, maybe 15-mile-an-hour winds.
There's already some puddling. It worries me. Oh, hello.
They're up to no good. Well, at least we got the lights in our favor.
Yeah, because they turned off all of them and just turned the sensors on.
Okay, we've seen one car.
Oh, two. Oh no, that's
Nope.
that's definitely a house light. Why did they turn them on? Oh, hello.
Two. Whoa!
I'll just turn your brights on, you know. Stick that upside. This is it.
We're saying goodbye to our house. We came back to get guitars and a couple things. Because the prognosis of Marco Island isn't that good right now.
10 to 15 feet of water when we're at 12-foot sea level elevation. Here we go.
Joe. Bye, house.
You can lock the door this time. You don't even have a house key, do you?
I'll bring
Oh my goodness.
my money.
It's really start. Oh my gosh.
Yep, I'm going home.
The road, Katie. I can't see him. He's taking. Well, that's our house. Can't see it, but that's our house. Finally getting out of here at 9:21. We had to run back to grab some guitars, Ryan's TV,
Don't
some
have to
blankets.
save a tortoise.
Oh yeah, we left one of our tortoises at the house. We thought he'd survive, but we reassessed the situation. It's a little spooky out there. The wind's already picking up really bad. You can't see, but the clouds in the
Yeah, they
sky
probably sustained 20-mile-an-hour winds.
with like 15-mile-an-hour gusts. Pretty powerful once it starts going. Okay, we'll check back during the storm.
Yep, it's starting to get a little spicy out there, as Ryan said. Boy, I'm glad we're at where we're at. This place is it's really well built. We got hurricane glass in it and shutters on the porch, and we're about 25 feet up. So we're in good shape.
Right now it's kind of earlier in the day on Sunday. It's about noon, and oh my gosh, it's raining upside down. Look at that right there, that storm gutter. Look, the water is going up. It's going back up, and there it goes. It's like a sprinkler system. But right now we're getting gusts at 40 miles per hour and above. It's not really that bad right now, actually. We're going to be getting over 100 miles per hour later today. So yeah, we're it's good.
Bro, the water's literally going back up into the sky. It's like, I don't even want to be in this no more. Good God, it's absolute carnage out here. Something's gonna blow through. Oh my God, I can feel the water, bro. We're screwed.
Our windows were actually not completely shut before. You can see that there's a little bit of water sitting there. There was a very nice breeze going through here for a little while though. As you can see, we have category 3 force winds outside right now. And I don't know why I'm overreacting because I'm inside. I really regret not bringing my paddle board because the street has already become a river and we haven't even gotten the eye yet.
Okay, well, we figured out why my window was whistling so bad. It wasn't closed all the way.
See what's going on.
Great big line out there.
There's a lake now.
There's a light. Yeah.
R.I.P. their screen.
And there's no trees.
You have to film it up here so you can see. R.I.P. Lake.
What about hurricane-wise? What is the hurricane doing right now?
It's category 3 in the eye wall. It's going right by us right now. Look how violent, dude.
So are we going to get hit by the eye?
No.
What? Dang it.
Yeah, we might.
Well,
I want the eye to pass
we're
straight
on the
over.
top part of the eye right now.
So that means there is a possibility that it could.
Possibility.
Okay.
It
I
hasn't
think
passed.
we might be able to run out and take a quick piddle.
Okay, cool.
Surge. The city of Marco Island has issued a mandatory evacuation order effective immediately. Now is the time to put your evacuation plan into action. Due to the recent westward changes in Hurricane Irma's forecasted track, Marco Island and all of southwest Florida is in harm's way. Major impact including destructive wind, life-threatening storm surge. Please only use 911 in an emergency. The Marco Island Police and Fire Rescue Departments are aggressively conducting search and rescue as well as safety operations. The majority of Marco Island has experienced extensive flood and wind damage. There are many damaged structures. There is no electrical power or water service on the island. There are numerous streets blocked by wires, trees, debris, or water. Both LCEC and the City of Marco Island Utility Department are actively engaged in assessment and repair. At this time, access to the island is blocked by debris and water. Do not attempt to return to the island until the all clear is given.
To repeat this message, press any key now.
See what's going on. What? From where?
There's water dripping into this.
You see, Ryan, this is what we have to deal with here.
Look at that.
Look.
Do it again, I'm up. Yeah, that's that. Just,
Oh, well,
like,
that's a thing.
that's all you see.
Well,
There's another window. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's completely white.
Oh.
Alright, I'm not even gonna go there because there's a giant leak over there, so it's pretty wet.
You can only imagine.
But yeah, it looks like the best view is what I had over near the balcony, the back windows. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but it's just wild down there. There's a couple down trees, and now it's focusing.
Ooh-wee.
Okay, Jake, yeah, pop open a window. Really great idea.
That's
I didn't. You locked us out. Come on now. Let us back in.
what you got there, Tristan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm doing a live video.
I'm filming for Ryan.
Mine won't stream. I think I'm losing internet.
I just lost
Yeah, my videos won't load. Go to roaming.
Grind them off. Talking. Hey, Ellie.
Tristan, you're still on. Or it's on. Go to roaming.
Leg, lag. Leg.
Oh my god, roaming.
Oh my gosh. It's covered in debris. Ooh-wee. Can you knock it off?
And it froze.
Cassie, could you please tell our loyal viewers at home what's going on
What
right
the
now?
is the eye of the storm? There's tiles flying off of the roofs and hitting things, and the streets are flooded. The water's about to recede up, and we're about to be underwater. That is horrifying. This is the scariest thing.
Oh, sounds like the roof is ripping off over here. That's really nice. That's really,
Be
really
so
nice.
insensitive about it, bro. This is horrifying.
No,
You imagine what's happening to our house right now?
I'm literally shaking in my bones, Cassie. You have no idea.
Yep, it's about as nasty as it gets out there. We got a bunch of water coming in their master bedroom. And we saw a bunch of tiles come flying off the roof. So we got out of that area. Hardly see the big condo over there. Can't believe that gutter is still holding on. Yep, we're in the eye wall. It's as nasty as it gets. But still here. Yeah, boy.
The Eye of Irma.
Yeah, this is in the eye of Irma. Okay, stop waiting for him. Well, no, let him come. What, buddy? Huh? He's just fishing right there.
Give me a good thumbs up. Here, I got your picture.
Every major hurricane is pissed in their eye.
Welcome to the eye of the hurricane. Okay. Alright. Never mind. We're going away from the eye of the hurricane.
Votre thérapie d'aller en ça quand même.
Alright, status update. We are getting screwed right now and crapped on. Ryan, if I die, I love you. As we see out here, there is no more beach. That is water. No more beach at all. Son of a beach, you could say. Here's where we're at. We're screwed. All that storm surge. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely terrifying, actually. Think about all those sharks down there. Sharknado.
Hi, do you want to explain what's going on right now?
What do you mean?
Do you want to explain what's going on?
Oh, we're in the middle of a hurricane.
Yeah, I think everyone knows that, but what specifically is going on at the current moment?
Well, I'm sitting here with my legs up, and we're just hunkering down, trying to stay safe.
Yeah.
Keep our family safe.
So if you look out here, you can see a little excessive damage. If you notice the palm trees, all the tops have been taken off. There's a gutter hanging from the side of that building. This one that was over here, I actually watched it fall down. So many palm fronds. As you can see, the roads are completely flooded, and this is long before the storm surges even come in. It's starting down south of us on Marco, but for right now, we're pretty okay where we're hunkered down at. It's
Which is why we hunkered here.
yeah. It's the worst is over, other than the storm surge, of course. So winds will start dying down soon. The eye is currently over Lee County. I guess we'll see from there. Well, this roof didn't cave in, so I guess that means that the worst is just about over. We had quite a bit of issue over here. It looks like it dragged a little bit up here, but as you can see, that water spot, it was leaking from that light, and that may even be the air conditioner, but we did have a cooler down here that was used to capture it, but what we did was we're using that to flush the toilet because we now have no indoor plumbing. Out here getting water from the toilet. I'm not going to. Just look at that. One good sign is the clouds are moving very fast. All this right here is supposed to be level ground, but it's now all underwater. We've got a little bit okay over here, but for the most part, this is a golf course, a hammock bay, where, woo! Just take a look at all these screen doors and the screens and everything. All these houses now are all blown out. I just got hit by a bug. Holy crap. Right now, I think we're barely experiencing tropical storm force winds, but it's really cool out. Storm shutters don't work. This is prime time right there. Look at this. Look at a bird. Look at a bird. Look at him. Look at him. There he goes.
America, America,
America. Give a good old America. Okay, like an hour ago I thought I was going to die, and now I'm having the time of my life. What is this? A bunch of coconuts. These have been destroying everything over here. And here's the only downed tree that I've seen anywhere. We've got an entire, wow, look at that there. An entire palm tree that fell down. Other than that, that's probably the most significant damage that we actually have seen up here in Naples right now. But of course, the worst, which is the storm surge, is yet to come. Good morning, people of the internet and beyond. It is 9/11 today. It's 16 years since September 11th attacks, and one day since Hurricane Irma, now Tropical Storm Irma, made its second landfall on Marco Island. So me and my dad, we're going to see if we can check out the island and see what's going on. So as you can see over here, all the floodwaters have subsided, and I started getting palm fronds out of the road and onto the side so that we can actually get some cars through here. We've talked with a couple other survivors this morning, and oh my gosh, it feels like we're in the middle of an apocalypse movie. You can tell by the debris around it. It doesn't look like it was like that already.
You can tell my heart's sitting on a
I press my throat up to your chest, and I hum till it grows.
Well, here's what used to be left in my backyard. All the trees from the water company came over this way. There's a big live oak, fell on the house. We might not have roof damage there. Now over here's a different story. This big live oak came down, on our porch and decided to come through the porch in a big way. So the porch here is trashed. Now whether it's structurally hit the real part roof, I don't know, but everything here is pretty up. The front, no windows are broken, so that's good. Just I have no trees anymore, which is really sucks. I used to have a real nice jungle back here. I just had it the way I wanted it. And now everything is gone. But yeah, it's kind of depressing. But I thought we weren't going to have a house, and at least we have a house. How's it inside, honey?
It's fine, there's no leaks and nothing.
Inside is fine, no leaks. I don't think.
This didn't break anything.
I think this is just kind of resting there. I don't think it's any structural stuff. But that's down on the roof a little bit.
All right, Keaton, what's going on?
As you see here, we got a big tree scenario here. Yeah. Here, bad a hurricane come through, you know, big storm, you know, boom, 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 boom. It come through and it's just, you know, just bopped it, booped it, blooped it, bopped it all down. You know, we gotta go out here, yeah, and move out there, yeah.
How's the power situation?
The power, man, we got power in there, man. Look over there, we got lights on.
Keaton, go ahead and tell me what's been going on recently.
We're picking up piles of sticks. Chopping wood.
Without a chainsaw.
Without a chainsaw.
They probably really need gas.
Yeah, so do we,
that situation to see what's going on. If you have friends who are down in that area, I do just want to mention that this is off a Rattlesnake Hammock and Charlemagne Boulevard. So if you know anybody there's the road closure right there. If you know anybody who has to head out the door and this may be their typical route.
I mean, that's what I was willing to. Hey guys, it's been a couple days since we filmed anything. Ryan's been busy helping dig out our house. We got that dug out. We gave up on the backyard. Bunch of trees down in the backyard on our house, but there's people that need stuff out here. We're down with Tony, my buddy Smudge. We're down there helping him at Tiger Tail Beach get his stuff together, and then we got a call that they need ice down here in Goodland. So Pinchers graciously gave us a bunch of ice, and we're making a run for ice down there for him right now because Goodland is not in good shape. Marco is in fantastic shape. I mean, we bounced back. Yeah, it might look a little crappy, I said, but that's, I mean, there's stores, there's power, there's everything. Good. Yeah, everything's good. Down here, it's not good yet, and that's why we're down here to help.
Oh, we've got people fixing power lines, so that's always a good sign.
Yeah, this is a good sign. They're working on getting their one main line of power in. They got the tree trucks ahead of them, trimming the trees out of the way to pull the power line out. Then those guys are stringing the power line.
So, I guess we'll see what happens.
Well, I'll tell you what. It's amazing, some people down here, how they want to help and how they have made it. As far as the county coming in here to do anything, they're a joke. We're doing it all ourselves, and we're getting it done more efficient and quicker than any government agency could help us. Yeah, we're going to need the government afterwards, but we're getting ourselves up together.
So I press those notes up to the fence, and I smoke anything close, and I smoke anything close, and I smoke.
experience of Hurricane Irma. At this point, it's been, when I'm filming this, it's been like almost 3 weeks since the actual storm. And everything's pretty much back to normal. There's actually a thunderstorm on its way right now, so back in school and everything. So yeah, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, tell me what you want me to do in the future. That's pretty much it, and adios, kiddos.